Welcome to the Morphology Kit Latin Progression. In this engaging course, we will unlock the power of language through the exploration of Latin morphemes, the essential building blocks of countless English words. Designed for grades 4 and up, this kit is ideal for enhancing vocabulary, improving reading fluency, boosting spelling skills, and promoting an understanding of syntax. Did you know that over 60% of the words in academic text encountered in school after 3rd grade are made up of these meaningful parts? By learning about high-frequency morphemes, your students will find it easier to decode and spell longer words. Each lesson focuses on a specific morpheme, offering a variety of engaging activities like word building, sorting, and matching. There are spoken and spelling word chains, parts of speech activities, among many others. These activities are designed to make learning enjoyable and interactive, promoting a deeper understanding of word structures. These lesson activities not only reinforce their learning, but also help them apply their knowledge in context. With the regular practice from using these activities, your student will develop critical language skills that will serve them well throughout their academic journey. Enjoy this exciting adventure into the world of words with the Morphology Kit Latin Progression. For more details, head over to the Latin Progression Deep Dive page where we explain how each morpheme lesson is structured.